Hello everyone, it's another awesome moment. And today's lesson we are going to look at confusion of words. By confusing one word with the other, many candidates lose a lot of precious marks in their essay and letter writing. For instance, a candidate who writes "the priest was at the altar" instead of "the priest was at the altar" loses half a mark for his or her carelessness in confusing one word with another. To avoid such loss of precious marks, you are advised to take special note of the following words, which many students find confusing. To help you further, some of the words are explained briefly and used in sentences to show their meaning and usage. The first one we are going to look at here is advice and advice. ADVICE. Advice is a noun and it means opinion giving or a counsel. In sentence, it is unwise to ignore the doctor's advice. And now advice, ADVICE, advice is a verb and it means to give advice to. In sentence, a wise father should advise his son. And now affection and affectation. Affection is a noun and it means fondness, love. In sentence, most mothers have special affection for their children. And now affectation. Affectation is a noun and it means pretense, that is behavior that is not genuine. In sentence, let us keep clear of all affectations. And now alter and alter. ALTAR, altar, is a noun and it means a raised place or table for sacrifices or prayers. In sentence, the couple knelt down before the priest at the altar. And now alter, 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 is a verb and it means to change. In sentence, don't alter anything here without my permission. And now beside and besides. Beside, 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 is a preposition and it means at the side of. In sentence, please come and sit beside me. And now besides, 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 is a preposition as well and it means in addition to or as well as. In sentence, I have 3 other friends besides John. And now boom and Boon. BOOM, boom, is a noun and it means prosperity. In sentence, not everybody is enjoying the business boom. And now Boon, 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 and it's a noun. It means favor, blessing, comfort. In sentence, what greater boon can I ask for than this? What greater boon can I ask for than this? And with this, we are closing it for today to continue next time.